Hi, I'm Stuart and I am your middle-aged hack, just a child of the 80s trying to make his way through the 20s. Are you ready to take the journey with me? So you just bought a Tesla and you're super happy with it. But you know, Tesla will not put on the front license plate holder for you even if you ask. And you're probably okay with that because you know that it looks better without that front license plate holder. But you're afraid. I'm just going to tell you the truth, folks. They will sooner or later write you a ticket. It may only be a $10 fix-it ticket. It may be $100. Depending on your state, you may pay up to $300 in fines for not having a front license plate. And it's going to happen sooner or later. But you know that. And you've thought about how are you going to put on that front license plate holder because maybe you've never done something like that before. It's easy. But strangely enough, Tesla's own tutorials really only talk about the older Model 3, the up to 2023 model. They don't talk about the 2024 and beyond, which has a different front end and a different front license plate holder. On the older model, there's actually instructions on the back of it that are kind of etched into the plastic. The new one doesn't have that. I want to show you how to put on the front license plate holder. This is an idiot-proof install. It will take you no more than 10 minutes, and you can do it. It's really not that hard. Let's take a look. First thing you're going to want to do is clean that front end. Tesla recommends isopropyl alcohol. I disagree. I say use clean filtered water and a microfiber towel. Do whatever it takes to get all the bugs off and whatever, and then dry it with another microfiber towel. That should be all it takes. Sit down and look at the front of your car. Look at the Tesla logo. Now look down straight and you'll see that the point of the logo and one of the verticals in the grille are exactly aligned. You're going to use that to center the front license plate. At this point, take the package of screws off of the back of the license plate holder, put it aside. You would not want them to be there after you stick the license plate holder on. Without peeling off the adhesive. Don't peel off the adhesive yet. What you're going to want to do here is test fit the frame. Try this, do this as many times as it takes. Line up that dot in the center of the frame with the logo at the top and that line in the grill at the bottom. Make sure you feel really good about it before you go further. When you're finally ready to do it for real, peel off the top sticker part, but don't peel the other ones all the way. You're going to peel them about half the way down and then fold the tabs so that they go out beyond the side of the plastic license plate holder. Because of the angle that I shot this at, it doesn't look like the red plastic goes beyond the license plate holder, but it really does. For this next part, take as much time as you need. Start by fitting the bottom of the license plate holder up against the car, keep the sticky part out, and make sure that those red tabs are outside the plastic. Get it just perfect, align that dot with the logo and with that rib, and when you're really satisfied with it, then and only then, press on the top part, which is going to adhere the front. And once it's adhered, you pull those red tabs out, press the whole thing down, give it a good pressing everywhere you possibly can, and really, that's it. You're done. So now you can see that putting that front license plate holder on it is super easy. You don't have to be scared of it, and you know, just take your time. You know that you only have one shot at it, and I know that's kind of scary and daunting, but you don't have to be afraid. I grant you, Model 3 does look better without that front license plate frame. That's true of pretty much every car, but law is the law, folks, and you have to deal with it. That's about it for the channel for today. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope this is the kind of channel that you want it to be, and if not, let me know about videos that you'd like to see, or that you like my presentation or you don't, something you'd like me to improve. I'm always open to it. I'm really new to this channel, and so I'm hoping that I can grow quickly, and I can only do that with your help. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.